Most Kiwis think KiwiSaver is something you use before retirement, but the reality is very different. KiwiSaver after 65 in NZ can be one of the best tools you have for generating retirement income. And with people living longer than ever in New Zealand, how you use your KiwiSaver account in retirement matters just as much as how you built it. If used properly, it gives you flexibility, tax efficiency, and ongoing growth, all in one place. I'm Cameron Steele from Solid Steel KiwiSaver Advice. Let me talk you through how it really works. Once you turn 65, you can withdraw any amount, anytime. Your money is no longer locked in. You can usually keep investing or even add more. In short, KiwiSaver after 65 becomes a flexible investment account, not just a savings scheme. This is where many people miss an opportunity. They treat it like a bank account, when it can actually be part of a smart retirement income strategy. The real challenge, turning your KiwiSaver money into income. After 65, your focus shifts. From saving to spending wisely, from growth to sustainability, from balance to income. This is where many retirees get it wrong. They've built a solid KiwiSaver balance, but don't have a clear plan to turn it into reliable income alongside NZ Super. Your main options in retirement: 1. Term deposits, which are low risk, low return, and often fails to keep up with inflation. 2. DIY investing gives you full control but requires high effort, and it's easy to make costly mistakes. 3. Investment portfolios, known as DIMs, are professionally managed but typically require 250,000 plus and are not always tax efficient. For many retirees, KiwiSaver sits in the sweet spot. Most providers allow flexible withdrawals, regular payments, and lump sum withdrawals anytime. Your KiwiSaver fund is a diversified investment and typically includes shares, property, bonds, cash. This gives better long-term return potential than leaving money in cash only at the bank. For retirees who may need their money to last 20-30 years, this matters. KiwiSaver funds are portfolio investment entities, or PIEs. That means you'll often pay less tax than on many other investments in NZ. KiwiSaver fees are low too. KiwiSaver fees must be reasonable under NZ regulation, and competition keeps providers sharp. KiwiSaver is also one of the most regulated investment environments in New Zealand, adding an extra layer of confidence. So should you change your KiwiSaver fund after 65? In many cases, yes. As you move into retirement, moving a growth fund down into a balanced or conservative fund makes sense. Focus shifts to income and stability. So can you keep contributing to KiwiSaver after 65? But here's the catch. Going too conservative too early can reduce your long-term outcomes. People are living longer, and your KiwiSaver may need to last decades. There's a balance to strike. I often advise clients to split their money into different funds with different levels of growth assets for different stages of their retirement years. Yes, however, you won't receive government contributions, and employer contributions may vary. It's not compulsory for an employer to pay over 65s. So it becomes more about investment strategy, not incentives. Is KiwiSaver after 65 right for everyone? Not always. But for most Kiwis, it's simple, cost-effective, tax-efficient, and flexible. That combination is hard to beat. Even high net worth investors often keep KiwiSaver as part of their strategy. So here's the bottom line. KiwiSaver after 65 in NZ isn't just leftover savings. It can be a powerful, flexible retirement income solution, but only if it's structured correctly. Because small decisions around fund choice, withdrawal strategy, and risk level can make a significant difference over time, and once you're retired, you don't get those years back. If you're 60 plus or already retired, ask yourself, is my KiwiSaver set up for income? Am I taking the right level of risk? Do I have a clear withdrawal strategy? If not, it's worth getting clarity. Most people were never shown how KiwiSaver works after 65. Have a look through the guides on my website, download my KiwiSaver ebook, or complete the KiwiSaver knowledge assessment so I can understand your situation before we talk. Because retirement isn't just about how much you saved, it's about how you use it. I'm Cameron Steele from Solid Steel KiwiSaver Advice. Simple steps, solid results. See you next time.